Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we're diving into the best Hoover OnePWR battery charger, the BH05000. If you've been looking for a reliable and efficient charging solution for your Hoover OnePWR batteries, this might be the product you've been waiting for. Let's break it down. The Hoover OnePWR Lithium-Ion Battery Charger is an essential accessory for anyone using Hoover's OnePWR system. Designed to work with all OnePWR lithium-ion batteries, this charger offers rapid charging, ensuring your battery is fully charged in under 3.5 hours. It's the perfect solution to get your vacuum or other Hoover cordless devices up and running faster. What sets this charger apart is its compact and sleek design. It doesn't take up much space, and its portability makes it easy to store and move around the house. The charger also features advanced temperature control, which is crucial for maintaining the proper charging conditions and preventing overheating. This feature is especially important for ensuring the longevity of your batteries. The charging station also includes flashing indicator lights, which provide real-time status updates on your battery's charge. Whether you're in the middle of a cleaning session or just putting your device down for the day, you'll always know exactly where your battery stands. It's a small but incredibly useful feature that makes this charger stand out. Not only is the charger efficient, but it's also part of the broader Hoover OnePWR system, which means it's compatible with all Hoover OnePWR devices. So, whether you're charging your vacuum, carpet cleaner, or another Hoover product, this charger will keep everything powered up with ease. For those who prioritize ease of use, this charger is a game changer. Its simplicity and quick charge time make it an incredibly convenient option for anyone using Hoover products on a daily basis. And with Hoover's reputation for reliability, you can count on this charger to deliver consistent performance for years to come. So, if you're looking for a fast, efficient, and compact solution for charging your Hoover OnePWR batteries, the BH05000 charger is the best choice. It's a top contender in the market and will keep your Hoover devices running at their best. Be sure to check out this charger and elevate your cleaning experience with the Hoover OnePWR system. Thanks for watching this review here at Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.